Welcome to Chemistry Tutorial 360. Today we are going to balance this reaction. This is copper sulfate, this is ammonium hydroxide, this is copper hydroxide, and this is ammonium sulfate, right? Okay, to balance this equation I can draw a table like this. On the left hand side or reactant side we have here one copper ion, so let me write that, and we have here one sulfate polyatomic ion, and here we have one ammonium ion, right? So let me write here, and here we have one hydroxide ion. Okay, on the right hand side we have here one copper atom. Here we have two hydroxide ion, right? And here we have two ammonium ion, and here we have just one sulfate ion. Okay, so let me compare the number of atom and polyatomic radical from both sides. Here we have one copper, so copper is balanced. Here sulfate 1, so sulfate is balanced. Here ammonium 1, but here ammonium 2. So to balance the ammonium I can multiply here by 2, that gives me 2, and these 2 must come before this ammonium ion that is here, so I have to put here 2. If I place here 2, the number of hydroxide ion will be 2, so I have to take here 2 hydroxide ion. So now we have 2 hydroxide, 2 ammonia, 1 sulfate, 1 copper. So everything is balanced. So this is the balanced equation, right? Okay, let me show you the second way to balance this equation. I think this second way will be very helpful in your exam hall to balance this equation very quickly, right? Okay, so how will I do that? Okay, let me show you, right? Okay, you know that copper 2 plus, sulfate 2 minus, plus ammonium 1 plus, hydroxide 1 minus, right? So this copper plus will go with negative, that is copper hydroxide 2 plus. To balance I can give subscript 2, right? So I am getting here 2 hydroxide, and this 2 hydroxide must come from this compound, so I have to put here 2, right? Okay, so copper will go with hydroxide and this ammonia will go with sulfate, so ammonium sulfate is 2 negative, but to balance the positive and negative I will put here 2, right? Sulfate 2 minus and ammonium, this bracket will not be applicable here, so we are getting 2 ammonium, and already we have that. So this is the balanced equation. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.